Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I'm reporting from Margaritaville Beach Resort, Playa Flamingo, Costa Rica. And I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour. Our room number is 1109. We're on the bottom level, main floor level. I apologize, guys. Unfortunately, some of our personal items can be seen in this video. But I tried my best to make it as genuine as possible. So this is our third day. So we've spent 2 nights here so far, and we've been having a pretty good time. The service is very good. Everyone's very friendly. The hotel is definitely clean. Good customer service. The breakfast is good. We were hoping for maybe more choices. This room is very spacious. And yeah, so we have like a walkout little patio to the pool area. So it's great if you have young kids. Sliding door, you open it up, and you're pretty much at the pool, which is great. And then here you have a safe. And back here is basically where we have all our stuff stored for the week. But yeah, it's been a good experience so far. Can't complain. Like I said, the room is very spacious. And it's nothing but a breeze. Yeah, everyone's very friendly around here, so that definitely makes things much easier. And here's that little patio I was talking about. Sliding door. There's a hammock. You walk up these stairs, and then there's a little path that takes you straight to the pool area, which is great. It's a nice little desk area here, workspace. And then this is obviously nice to have too. Mini bar, small fridge, which we're using quite a bit. Complimentary coffee, you get 1 a day. These water bottles have not been replaced every day, but I do think that we're supposed to get them every day. But yeah, so far so good. The beach is very nice and clean. It's not your paradise white sand type of beach, but we are in Costa Rica, so as far as Costa Rican beaches are concerned, this is definitely one of the nicer beaches, or one of the nicest beaches. There's no doubt. And then this door would connect to the room next door if you wish to do so. Alright folks, thank you for watching Travel Guru TV. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment on my video. Ask me any questions you like about the Margaritaville Beach Resort here in Playa Flamingo. I'm happy to be of assistance. And stay tuned for more videos coming very, very soon. Adios, amigos.